Dalit Hospital, a hospital which started its journey in 2004 with a vow to serve the poor and backward people. The hospital, located at Chuknagar in Khulna division, is providing medical care to the needy people of the region by providing low-cost medical services. Apart from Chuknagar, a large number of people from different parts of the southwest of the country came to the hospital every day for treatment. Dalit Hospital has a medicine department equipped with modern equipments, pathology department, ophthalmology department, Ayurveda medicine department, Ayurveda Panchakarma and yoga department. Doctors who specialize in modern medicine and Ayurveda medicine are present here 7 days a week. There are dispensaries for distributing medicines among the poor at low prices. Dalit Ayurveda Medicine Lab located in the same premises of Dalit Hospital. The lab was started in 2004 with a few local Kobirajes. The lab then began its full journey with funding from the Italian donor organization COE. Large drug gardens have been set up here to run drug labs. The garden provides all kinds of raw materials for the preparation of all kinds of medicines in the Dalit Ayurveda Medicine Laboratory. This lab is equipped with modern equipment required for drug processing. Dalit Ayurveda lab has been providing medicines in different parts of the country to meet the local demand. Besides, medicines are marketed outside of the country. All these drugs free from side effects are getting acquainted with people successfully. Dalit IT Training Center was started with the aim of making rural youth proficient in computer education. Students from Chuknagar and surrounding areas receive training here at low cost. The Women's Federation was formed in 2019 with a total of 400 members. At present, 21 leaders are leading the Women's Federation. Under the leadership of these 21 people, the Women's Federation is conducting various development activities like child marriage prevention, discuss various national and international issues, awareness campaign on health, hygiene, nutrition, etc. in 38 villages of Dumuria and Tala Upazila. The Federation has 100 unmarried Dalit female students studying in different colleges and universities of the country, who are getting education stipend from Dalit organization.
The things that we are constantly learning from the Dalits, we try to teach again in our group, try to make them aware, because not everyone can come here. We know different things like our gender is discriminated, our family brothers or elders are allowed to eat fish heads, but we are given the tails. With these things, we know that we have equal rights. A girl needs more nutrition than a boy. In the last meeting, I learned that girls of our age need to take 8 to 10 iron tablets per month. I did not know that matter, but I came to know from Dalits. I can get these tablets for free if I contact the community clinic in my area. And I can be healthy through it. When I came to Dalit, they were able to let me know and understand this information. I know how to contact the Human Rights Commission if someone on my side admits to being tortured, facing problems, or having their rights violated. I didn't know how many benefits I could get by calling 999, from the police to the ambulance service. I sincerely acknowledge my gratitude to the Dalits for all the facilities that I have learned from the Dalits, the Department of Social Services, or many other issues in the Upazila. Every human being wants to create an identity of his own personality. When I was born as a human being, I wanted to leave something on the earth so that the people would remember me even after my death. This is why I'm very grateful to Dalits, which can be said or done. They have given many opportunities.
Dalit started educational activities only with 12 girls in the beginning, and now there are about 600 girls who are studying in different educational institutions. For this Dalit activity, many girls are working at different levels and are having family lives. And their families are solvent. They are getting dignity in the society. It has been possible for the Dalits. In that case, so if Dalits get more donations, they could work with Dalit women all over Bangladesh. Due to lack of funding, we are not able to bring all Dalit women under the service. If any donating group could help us, we could work with all the women associated with Dalits. Women are not actually products. If we try a little bit, help them a little bit, give them a chance to learn, give them a chance to turn around, then women can work on an equal footing with men.
If we talk about the history of Dalit, we have to go far back. Although Dalit was established in 1996, its journey started in 1978 when I was in 6th grade at school. Then fortunately I went to Italy and returned to Bangladesh after getting higher education. After returning to the country, some of us young people thought we had to do something. And since then I established Dalit in 1996. At first we worked with education, but later I saw that not only education but also health needs to be done here, because the density of Dalit population is much higher in the south, and I will say that about 5% of Dalit population lives in this area. That is why the place we choose for the hospital in Chuknagar, because Chuknagar, Khulna, Joshore, Satkhira are the middle of these three areas, As many Dalits live in these areas, they can easily come to Chuknagor. That is how Dalit Hospital was established in 2004.
Our dream is to transform Dalit Hospital into a full-fledged special hospital by providing treatment in different departments in Dalit Hospital.
Institutions gives us formal education, but we get good education from here. Above all, in order to become well educated, one needs to be aware of the issues that need to be aware of or the inconsistencies of the society. I think I have been able to do so much because Dalit is by my side, and many thanks to Dalit.
Women are not actually products. If we try a little bit, help them a little bit, give them a chance to learn, give them a chance to turn around, then women can work on an equal footing with men.
Every human being wants to create an identity of his own personality. When I was born as a human being, I wanted to leave something on the earth so that the people would remember me even after my death. This is why I'm very grateful to Dalits, which can be said or done. They have given many opportunities.
We hope that this service of Dalits will be available not only to Dalits but also to the marginalized and different classes of people, so that we can reach the true steps of disadvantaged people.